So this video is very important because here you will be making your own layout. Why layout is important? Because different type of project work or different type of presentation needs different type of layout. So suppose this I'm making for myself because I want to paste 6 images here and 6 images here, and with this access system, and this page I'll be using multiple times in my presentation. So first I will make this layout. So to make this layout we have some special thing called here view. Go to view, and in the view you have slide master. You go to slide master, and in slide master you make your own layout. Okay, so to make any layout here, you like normally you take any page and you do that whatever you want here, and then when you will suppose I made this, I can make, suppose I made this, so I can take this here. This became my suppose this kind of presentation I want to give in multiple pages. I made this. Okay, now suppose this is ready as your layout to use in multiple pages. Then cut this. If you'll cut this, I'm cutting this here. Then when you go to home, I'm going to home, and then you can see I'm already in home. Then you go to layout. In this layout, now you can see different type of whatever just now we have saved, that is saved here. Click here, so you can see this came. Okay, so now here you can click and you can upload photos here, right? So you go to view, and after view you go to slide master, and then you do all your mastering work. After that you cut this, then by default it will be saved in layout folder. Okay, so this is by default blank, one thing is blank by default, and these two are made by me. Okay, so whatever you want for you multiple ways. And I was confused. I was thinking in file itself I can edit this, but in file itself, suppose you want any image like frame and all, you will not get here. So that is made in already given in go to view and then go to slide master, and here so many, you can see in the left side so many things are given. Based on one you can create your own, just modify and make your own. Okay, done.